Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Taimoor Tech YouTube channel, and today my topic is DevOps versus traditional IT operations. Why Fintech companies can't ignore DevOps. So first of all, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start my video. DevOps versus traditional IT operations. Why Fintech companies can't ignore DevOps. The financial technology sector is a crucible of innovations where speed, security, and reliability are paramount in this dynamic landscape. This in choice between DevOps and traditional IT operations can be a difference between market leadership and obsolescence. The numbers paint a compelling picture. The global DevOps market valued at USD 10.4 billion in 2023 in poised for inclusion's growth projects to reach strategies with a CAGR of 19.7%. This surge reflects the industry's recognitions of DevOps as a strategic operation imperative. Furthermore, companies that have embraced DevOps principles report an average of 45% higher customer satisfaction, a 43% boost in employee productivity, a 41% reductions in defected rates, and a 38% decreases in IT related costs. These statistics underscore the tangible benefits that DevOps bring to the table for fintech CTOs and startup owners. Navigating these complex trends, staying informed about the latest DevOps trends and statistics is not just prudence, it's essential for survival. This blog aims to dissect the critical differences between DevOps versus traditional IT operations, demonstrating why DevOps for fintech companies is no longer a luxury but a fundamental necessity. What is a DevOps IT operations? DevOps a fusion of developments and operations, presenting a paradigm shift in software developments and deployments. It's more than just a set of tools. It's a cultural philosophy that fosters collaboration, automation, and continuous improvements. At its core, DevOps break down the traditional silos between development and operational teams, creating a unified workflow. This approach emphasizes automation, thoughts, continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery CD pipeline, and enabling rapid and reliable software releases in DevOps for fintechs. This translates to the ability to quickly deploy innovative financial services, respond swiftly to secure threats, and adapt to evolving regulatory requirements. It's about building a dynamics and responsive IT structures to meet the financial sector's relentless demand. Advantages of DevOps IT operations, the fintech edge. The benefits of DevOps are particularly pronounced in the high-stake world of fintech. Accelerated time to market. DevOps enables fintech companies to rapidly iterate and deploy new features, giving them a competitive edge. This agility is crucial in a market where speed is often the deciding factor. Enhance software quality, continuous testing and integrations, minimize bugs and errors, leading to more reliable and secure financial application. This is critical for maintaining customer trust and ensuring regulatory compliance. Seamless collaborations. By breaking down silos, DevOps foster a culture of collaboration and share responsibility, improve communication and efficiency, increase operational efficiency, automotive repetitive task fees, and up to valuable resources, allowing teams to focus and strategies makings and innovations, scalability and reliability infrastructures as code for banking allows for rapid scaling of systems and meet fluctuating demands. ensuring high availability and reliability. Robust security DevOps score, integrating security practices thought out the development lifecycle, known as DevScopes for financial institutions, help mitigate risk for protect sensitive financial data. Minimize payments failure, reduce payments failures with DevOps. Automation by improving the reliability and efficiency of payment system, enhancing customer trust and satisfaction. Advanced fraud detections with DevOps enables real-time monitoring and rapid developments of fraud intentions algorithms, protecting against financial losses. Against disadvantage of DevOps IT operations, navigating the challenges. While the pros of DevOps are compelling, it's essential to acknowledge the potential challenges. Cultural transformations, transforming to DevOps requiring the significant cultural shift, which can be challenging for organizations accustomed to traditional workflows. India investment implementing DevOps tools and providing training can involve substantial upfront cost. Resistant to charge, some teams member may resist the change, leading to frictions and delays. Complexity management, managing a highly automated and integrated environments requires specialized skills and expertise. Security vulnerabilities, automations can introduce new security risks if not implemented correctly. What is traditional IT operation? Traditional IT operations are characterized by a clear divisions of labor with the developments and operations team working independently develops focusing on coding and features delivery while operations handles deployments, maintenance and support. This models relies heavily and manual process lead and length releases cycles and limited collaborations hang off occurs and specific stages after resulting the throws over the ball. Mentality handles rapid iterations of responsiveness. This liner sequences approach struggle of keep space with the agility requires and fintechs industry traditional IT inherent delays and flexibility can hinder a company's ability to respond quicker to market changes, security threats, or regulatory updates to reactive approach to problem solving rather than proactive monitoring and preventions often result with more extended downtimes and increased security vulnerabilities. Ultimately impact customers' satisfaction and competitive advantages. Advantages of traditional IT operations: the familiar comfort and structures stability. Traditional IT other distinct advantage in environments prioritizing scalability and predictability over rapid change such as established process, well-defined procedures ensures consistent outcomes and minimize unexpected deviations. Formal change management process reduce the risk of disruptive system alternation, which is crucial for compliance. Clear rules and responsiveness. Explicitly defined rule create a clear hierarchy and accountability, minimizing overlap and confusion. Incident response procedures are delineated for swift problem resolutions. Familiarly, IT professionals are often well versed in traditional practices, reducing the need for extensive retraining. These familiars contribute to workforce stability and simplifies legacy system maintenance. Strong documentations and audit trails, meticulous record keeping facilitates compelling complaints and issues. Tracking details, audits, trails provides a clear history of system activities, auditing problems, mis- resolutions, and legal compliance. Predictions, budgetings, traditional IT often operation on predictable budget cycles, simplifying financial planning, predictable hardware life cycles allow for long-term budgets management. Stronger separations of duties, a clear separations of duties enhances security and reduce risk by preventing exclusive individuals control, which is especially important in finance. Emphasizes stability and uptime traditional IT and prioritizes systems. Windows are carefully planned to minimize users' impact. Hardware are life cycles, predictability, and replacement schedules. Allows for better budgets, management, and prevents unexpectedly hardware failure, leading to more stable system. Reduce need for constant retraining staff. Similarly, with the existing system, reduces retraining cost and time, ensuring smoother operations. Easier to maintain legacy system. Older system functions with minimal changes in traditional environments, providing the more cost-effective solutions. Disadvantages of traditional IT operation: the bottlenecks. However, the cons of traditional operations is increasing become a significant independent for fintech companies. Slow release cycles, manual process, and limited collaboration leads to lengthy release cycles, hindering innovations and responsiveness. Increased risk of error manuals, deployments, and configurations, and increase the risk of human errors and system failures. Poor collaboration seller teams results in poor communication and collaboration, leading to inefficiencies and delays. Limited scalability: traditional infrastructures often struggle to scale with the rapid growth of fintech applications. Higher operational cost, manual process, and longer downtimes increase operational cost. Inability to adapt fintech requires rapid interactions, and traditional IT is slow to change, risking obsolescence. DevOps versus traditional IT operations: 10 key differences. The difference between DevOps and traditional IT operations involves impacting every down software's development and deployment phase to truly understand why fintech companies must embrace DevOps. Let's delve deeper into these 10 crucial distinctions. Collaboration: the heart of DevOps versus solid isolation. DevOps collaboration translates where communications. It's about the shared ownership and responsibility. Team are across functional with developers, operation and security working on issues. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Team, and Jira facilitate real-time communication and knowledge sharing. This culture of collaboration foster a we build its we run it mentality, reducing hand of friction and accelerations problem resolutions. Traditional IT solid teams operations is solutions with limited communication and handoffs and between the development and operation. This separations often leads to throwing code over the wall scenarios where developers and disconnected from the operations realities of their software. These isolations result in delays, miscommunication, and a lack of shared accountability. Automation, the engine of efficiency and manual bottlenecks. Automation parameters every stage of software lifecycle, from code integrations and testing, CI to deployments and infrastructures, providing a CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, CI/CD, Ansible, and Terraform. enable automated pipeline, reducing manual error and accelerating release cycles. Automations in fintech is critical to deploy security patches and adapt rapidly and regulatory changes. Traditional IT manual processes are abnorms leading to slow errors phones. Reading. Ready to transform your fintech IT operations? We offer expert DevOps can help you accelerate innovation and secure your competitive edge. Thank you so much for watching my video.